Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the fuels that ignites truly captivating YouTube content. Passion. You can have all the fancy equipment and editing skill in the world, but without passion your video might fall flat. Let's talk about why passion is your secret weapon and how to inject it in your content. Their enthusiasm is contagious, right? That's the power of passion. It shines through the screen, grabs viewer attention, and makes them invested in your message. Maybe you haven't pinpointed your YouTube passion yet. That's okay. Think about what excited you, what topics make you lose track of time. If I give you some example of finding passion, do you spend hours in ancient Egyptian story? Maybe story documentaries, tutorial and recipe videos could be your passion project. Do you have a knack for making people laugh? Comedy skits or reaction might be your perfect fit. Your passion can be expressed in everything you do on camera. Genuine excitement, let your enthusiasm for your topic shine through in your voice, body language, and facial expression. Infectious energy, speak with conviction and touch of excitement. A monotone voice will lull viewers to sleep. Web stories and anecdotes in your videos, personal experiences connect with viewers on a deeper level. Embrace your uniqueness. Don't try to be someone you are not. Let your own personality and quirks shine through. Authenticity is key. Passion is the fire that keeps you going. I will help you overcome challenges, stay motivated, and keep creating even when things get tough. So, in the end, I can tell you, if you don't like the work you do, then you cannot stay your heart in this world. But if you love your work, then it can change. So you can work hard and get success. So work with passion and use passion in your video. That's how you can earn success on YouTube. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.